everybody's going to pay attention here. Now, Jonathan's worked very hard to get to this point. He's put the time in on the field, but he's also had a few meetings with me, and we put some time in on the books. He's graduating. There's no doubt. He's not one of those that we're sitting here going, is the next test, is he going to be able to make it? He's graduating. He's going forward. And he's going forward, and he's choosing to play football at College of Dupage in cold weather. And that's, you know, we do not know what cold weather is. He will be able to explain that to us when he comes back and visits, because he will know what cold weather is. I appreciate the hard work he's put in. I appreciate the hard work his parents have put in, Coach Michael, and the whole staff. Guys, he's your teammate. Y'all have helped him get there. Believe it or not, every day on the practice field, when you challenged him, you made him a better player. And every day when he challenges you, he's making you a better player. And right now, I'm going to speak for him for a second, because he's making a statement to this younger one here. You better get your grades up. You better put it all out there. Work hard and keep yourself hydrated. JonJon, congratulations.
There's some shades wrong.
Anytime you get a chance to go on, because it is a small few that get a chance to go on, regardless of which avenue you end up taking, that you get the most out of it. And the most thing he can get out of this is to carry this forward into a 4-year. Don't just finish with 2. You go on and get these 2 done, knock them out, finish them strong, and hopefully your football will go on to that next level and you'll get to continue on. But more importantly, that it carries you on to that 4-year degree. You come out of it most definitely with a 2-year degree. And then your goal is to go on and get 2 more years and a 4-year degree and wrap it all up. Because this game, you've used it your whole life. Continue to use it and get as most as you can out of these next 2 or 3 years.
And you got it, John.
Capitalize the JonJon.
Here with Jonathan Clements, Millington Trojans now. Newest member of College of Dupage, heading up to Illinois. Look, cold weather out there, but hey, you're getting to live your dream. Talk about how does it feel to have your son.
It feels special to be one person in my family that signed to colleges, even if it's 2 years.
Now, you say this thing because there are 2 big brothers. One player here, best team in Millington history. I'm sure you let you know that. But how does it feel to be inspired to talk about the role you played in this?
The role that both of my brothers played in, Michael stayed on the team. I went to every game, made sure I watched every game, made sure I break down all my players, studied the plays, studied offense, technology. So really just made sure I do everything I can.
When I talked to you as a sophomore, you put some pressure on yourself because of Michael. You wanted to accomplish some things, you set some big goals for yourself. And then your senior year comes and you want to lead on the team. Talk to Coach Michael, your head coach, and said, how does it feel that your team is your lean on you? You were the man on defense.
It felt good. It felt good. You know what I'm saying? Like, third and what he got going. What's his word? You know what I'm saying? Walking, you know what I'm saying? The leadership is amazing. It's amazing with the person that inspired me.
Now, last year around this time, your defensive leader was Patrick Macon. He was in here continuing the tradition of signing. And then we had Jamal Collier, he was signed. We had Roland Genesy. Then since Coach Michael's taking over, that list is growing, and now you add your name to the league. You said last year we were going to have you sign. How does it feel to be a man of your word to make it to this day?
I mean, it feels good because it's something that I accomplished in life. You know, it's not just going to college. I want to go to a 4-year college. You know, once you junior college, it's ranked on junior college in the nation. It feels good.
That could be the next step. So 2 years time, you could be doing this all over again. What do you hope to accomplish while you're there?
I hope to accomplish is manager at JPA Rangers. Good stay for the football field and place. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully get a chance to get a lot of university.
Now, Tennessee. Your mom talked about that picture when you were young. You had lost.
Yeah.
But if Tennessee can't call it.
If Tennessee can't call it, trust me, I know where you're going.
So congratulations, and hopefully you come through soon. Good luck to you.